And this last problem of 1.2 example 6, I will preface it by it's not going to have those prettier numbers that we're used to of being able to plug in the middle, the outliers, things like that. So we'll have to solve for our different sets. All right, so a group of 110 people touring Europe includes 46 who speak Spanish. So that is the number who speaks Spanish is 46. So we'll use S for Spanish, 46. So then the number who speak German is next, and they say that's 68. And a number of people who speak neither Spanish or German is 16. And then how many people in the group speak both Spanish and German? So that's what we're looking for. So we are looking for the middle number. All right, so let's fill it out. So our universe is 110. So we know that there's 110. And we know that neither Spanish nor German is 16. So 16 is my outlier on the outside. So now I know that we need to find out how many people speak at least one language. So if 16 speak neither, then the rest of them speak Spanish or German or both. So we have 110 of total minus the 16, and that equals 94. So 94 people speak at least one of these. So this total is 94. Now we need to figure out what is our middle number. So I know that when I add up all three, it needs to be 94. So I have the Spanish circle plus our German circle. Now, the problem with that, as you can remember from previous videos, that would include this middle twice, and we only want to include it once. So we'll need to subtract the both. And that equals at least one language. So that will give us our middle number. So we have 46 for Spanish, and then so that's this whole number is 46, and then this whole German side is 68, and we need to subtract the both because it'll be listed twice. We circled the middle twice. We only need it once. Equals 94, right? So we know how many it should total. So now let's solve. So 46 plus 68 is 114 minus the both. Move your 114 over to get that by itself, and you can sub for an X or a Y. You don't have to use both. So that will be negative 20. You can't have two negatives, so this will be a positive 20. So the both equals 20. So this middle number is 20. They speak both Spanish and both German. So we don't need to fill everything out, because if you look at the question, they only want to know what is the middle, both Spanish and German, and that is 20.